What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Rising CPA. My name is Jay, and I'm a current CPA candidate. The reason I made this channel was pretty much to inform people about strategies and ideas that I cross my mind as I'm studying through the CPA exam, and I just want to share them with you. You can take the advice or you can leave it, but at the end of the day, I'm just trying to pass on the knowledge or the crazy ideas I get. Anyways, this video is about MCQs. The reason why I made this video is because I feel MCQs are pretty much the glue to everything you're learning. So let's say you read a module from a certain section and you're a little confused about it. So you take the MCQ immediately after that. That's going to push you to, gather all that information you just read and put it into like a organized fashion. So it's like a Rubik's cube. You might suck at it. You might never get the colors all in one side, but eventually you're gonna get two colors. And the only way you do that is through completing MCQs. So with that, I mean, that narrative, you could kind of see what I'm trying to say. That the MCQs really do help you connect everything together, tie everything together. Don't worry too much about the percentage of right and wrong questions. Just worry about doing them and putting your hardest effort. I feel like too many people worry about the percentages, and for me, I have Becker. They show you the percentage right there. They tell you how many right and how many wrong. I feel like they gotta remove that out the way. Yeah, mark it red, but don't show me the numbers right in front of me because now it's affecting my performance and it's also uh, leading me to make mistakes because I had the previous one wrong. The next question sounds like the last question, so it's playing a mental psychological game on me. So I feel like they should remove that. The percentages are not important, especially when you're beginning your let's say a full section. If you're on the first section of a new section, let's say auditing, you're not going to really grasp everything until you get further down to like the third section because now by that time you've reviewed a lot of things, you took a lot of MCQs, and you see the path they're trying to take you. Anyways, guys, so with that said, let me just give my summary. When taking any sections or any lectures, immediately do your MCQs. It's important. It ties everything together. It's the spider web, the Spider-Man spider web that attaches that weird ass sentence you read on the lecture or in the book and attaches it to why are they doing this. You got what I mean? So besides, the MCQs, just make sure when you do these lectures, you take appropriate notes. Okay, so anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and good luck on your exams and your studies.